Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader, the biggest IPO in history. I'm saying that, I'm putting it out there because I believe it, and I don't expect necessarily to make any money straight away. I think a lot's going to happen. It's going to be a big, big day, a very, very big day. The world is changing. The future of technologies, the way we're going to communicate things is about to change. If you've just watched COP26, you will know that policy is now in place around the world to change the world. So we're very, very excited about what is about to happen here. We're very, very excited. There is so much going on. So get yourselves ready for the biggest IPO ever. I really believe it. So, okay, we're off and running. Is everybody with me? Let's get right into it now. So let's go straight up. First of all, look at my portfolio. It has been dropping overnight just a little bit. So good morning. Dr. Nathan Smith is here. We are so proud to have Dr. Nathan Smith here because he has the IPO. He has the pre-IPO. He's already in. He already knows what the price is. He's confirmed he's in. So maybe he could share with us in the live chat. So you are in the best place you could possibly be here today. If you're over on TikTok, you need to join us on YouTube. You can't see anything on TikTok, all right? You need to come over on YouTube. Click the link here, click the profile, and come straight into YouTube. Okay, let's go over to my trading screens. First of all, here we are, and you can see where we are right now. Let's go through a few stocks in a second. If it's your very first time, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Dr. Nathan Smith, let us know you're in the live chat. I can see you're there. Let us know how many shares you got. How much did you pay? What's the deal? What's going on? So let us know. He's in the live chat with us right now. So there we go. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Hopefully, this could be my biggest ever video as well on the channel. So we're very, very excited about that. I'm not a monetized channel. I don't get anything out of sitting here all day with you. I'm just here to be part of it and invest myself. This is my money. Let's go through. Let's have a look at the chart up here in more detail. You can see I'm down slightly on the hour. If we go through the different charts, Tesla is having a bit of a sale right now. Virgin Galactic is up. Lucid, nothing to show there. Oh, just selling off a bit there. Look, Hood, nothing. A bit of selling. Amazon, not much coming in. Obviously, we're pre-market right now. We're getting ready. It'll be an hour or so, I would imagine, before we get any information at all on the IPO. So, but we do have, we're very, very lucky. We do have Dr. Nathan Smith here with us today. Right, he got eight shares at $78. There you go. He got it. Fantastic. He's going to do so well today. I'm so proud we got him here. I mean, absolutely great. A lot of people would have loved to have got the pre-IPO. I would have liked to have got it. I will tell you that for nothing. I could have got it. He told us yesterday how to get it, but I decided for the honesty and transparency of my portfolio with my growth with you, I need to keep every single thing on here on one brokerage, one platform, so you can see it. Oh, Yoa Hyman is with us. So fantastic. One of my wonderful musician friends. In fact, we got two. We got is Christopher still here? Christopher Marantet, a musician and creator of Live Streamer Cafe. Dr. Nathan Smith, I put in for 10, he got 8. That's interesting. Yoel Hyman, wonderful musician, is here as well. I got 0. Think of the Charlie Brown Halloween. I got rock. I got a rock. Oh, I love it. There we go. Great stuff. It's very, very exciting. I've got absolutely sod all as well. I will tell you that for nothing. I've got absolutely sod all. But of course, it's absolutely great that Dr. Nathan Smith has his stock ready to go. That's fantastic. Right, look, Virgin Galactic is down 1.48 on the morning. There we go. So that's not bad though. We had a big rise yesterday. Look at all these EV stocks down. This is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Robinhood down. Amazon. Look, even Amazon is down. We got, and that should be rising. Harpoon Therapeutics, nothing there. Rolls-Royce. I'm keeping my main key stocks here. Look at Bitcoin, everybody. We're about to hit $70,000. It's my most secure part of my portfolio. I will tell you that for nothing. So we're keeping Google open so we can track whatever is happening. I've got information here on the Twitter for Rivian, so we'll be keeping posted on Twitter for Rivian and the latest coming out of Google. So you're going to get everything here. You don't need to be anywhere else. If you're over there on TikTok, you are missing all of the can you name a superhero for an edit? What? You're missing all of the action. You need to be on YouTube. If you're 90% of TikTokers, you're scrolling through for naked ladies. We're here today to be involved and make money with the biggest IPO in history, I believe. So that's my theory, and I'll tell you why in a minute. But click the profile link here, click it again, click the icon and come onto YouTube. And right, as everybody smashed the like button, it looks pretty good. We got 11 already. Absolutely great. Let me just check behind the studio a minute. Yeah, we're all playing. Everything's good over there. Good. Grab your tea. Settle in for a big day on the Rivian IPO. I'm actually excited because I got up this morning. I got all the videos out, the pre-videos as well. To put out a video as well as a live show. So I'm hoping for a record day on my platform as well. It could be the day I need 1,400 hours more to make a monetized channel. I've got my subscribers. I'm way past that, the 1,000 you need. Got 1,600. But if we get 1,600 people watch for an hour today, I'll be done. I'll be 4,000 hours. Okay, so click the share button. Tell everybody the best place in the whole world to watch the Rivian IPO is here on the Day Trader. There you go. Get everybody in. All right. So I'm going to keep my eye on my own thing there right now. I've got some friends over there tapping away on the screen on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're on Twitter as well today. We are all over the place. We are on so many platforms today. We're very, very excited. So we've got Dr. Nathan Smith. He has got 8 at 78. Now this is what I think is going to happen. I think the stock price is going to explode now. In the next few minutes, it's going to start to grow. Dr. Nathan Smith, even though he's a pre-IPOer, I doubt he will know what the price is, what it's growing into. He may, I know Robinhood doesn't show me, but with the SoFi brokerage that he's using, he may see what's going on. So he will know before any of us, and it's great we have him here, what the price is going to be. Okay, so he will know exactly. So he will keep us informed of the price. So we could know before it comes out what the price is. So we're very, very excited. I see we've got viewers over there on Twitter for the very first time. I'm live on Twitter. You need to join me on YouTube. It's the best place to be. Thank you ever so much indeed. Here he is Kiwi from New Zealand. He's here joining us. So Mr. Stecco is here. I bought Bitcoin yesterday and Virgin. My first 2 buys. Will be hoping to get some Rivian also. Absolutely great. Congratulations, Mr. Stecco. We're going to get all the information live. This is great. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is us live right now. Look, we're actually live on Twitter. We're on 22 platforms today. Absolutely great. We are really going for it today. I think Rivian's going to do great. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to pop. We're going to get all sorts of volatility. There's going to be huge sell-offs. Some people are going to watch it pop. It's going to go up and they're going to sell out. We're going to see crashes. But long term, I have got, as you can see in my portfolio here, I have got $3,000 in my portfolio. Let me zoom in for you, right? Ready to buy. I will put $2,000. $2,000 worth of Rivian. The moment it pops, I don't care what the price is. I don't care if it's 400. I couldn't care less what the price is because I'm not buying the price. I'm buying the value of the future of EVs. And it has nothing to do with trucks. It has nothing to do with trucks. They don't even realize that their biggest asset is Amazon and the vans. It's got nothing to do with trucks. So no matter what happens, if it pops, which it will, I will buy. And then what I will do, I think it will then promote Lucid and Lucid and Tesla. I may sell some of my Lucid, I may sell some of my Tesla, take some profits, and I will wait for the dip to come. Even if it drops, and it will, right, I won't sell my first $2,000. I won't sell that unless it goes to like 1,000 and I make a huge profit. Then I would sell, then I'll buy the dip and I'll get back in again. But that's what we're going to see today. And with Robinhood, I'm able to do that, right? I can buy, sell, and I won't have any problems at all. This is great. I'm seeing some really, really good news here. The portfolio is now rising. Look, let's go over to it on the live screen. Now we've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Look, starting to move up now. A lot of that, I would have thought, is to do with my Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is absolutely pumping today. It's pulling up my entire portfolio. Rolls-Royce is up 4% today. We're going to get a lot of stocks on the rise today with the airlines. Anyone to do with airlines. This is not Rolls-Royce the cars, it's Rolls-Royce the airline. Talking about the engine servicing and so on. Amazon is down. That's so interesting, right? Robinhood is down 3%. Sorry, Robinhood, I can't put any money into you right now. Lucid is down 5%. Virgin Galactic is down 1%. Tesla is little V shape there. That's interesting to watch. So this is going to be a huge, huge, huge day, right? Okay, is everybody excited? Yo, Hyman, checking him out. Check him out. Yo, Hyman got 3 shares of Rivian. I'm so proud of you, mate. I could have done the same, and I would have, and I totally would have bought some. But my income, my success, and everything is you being here with me. And, my portfolio is secondary to everything, right? It's you. And if I bought on a separate brokerage, my overall portfolio would not be accurate. I'd have money somewhere else. And I want this to be my true story of where I've come and where I'm going. So because of you, I've lost money here on something I believe in. Right, there we go. So this is my portfolio. We're up 22% now. I've made $10,000. Remember, that is now all from profits. I started from 5,000, grew this to 57,000 a couple of days ago. We've taken some dips, as you all know, but I'm now working on profits now. Everything I do, I don't put any money in from anywhere. I make money from this portfolio. This portfolio will be $100,000 by the end of this year. I really believe that. Loopring LRC. I have no idea what that means. I'm so proud of Yo Hyman. He's got 3 shares. This is so cool. This is what I love about my channel. We have some really, really big traders, and we have some really, really normal, regular guys like my mate Yo Hyman. I absolutely love that. I've just realised a minute. Why am I not getting the comments coming through? I can post them. That's unusual. I wonder why that is. I've got the live chat, but what I'm not getting... That's weird. Comments and reactions. Why am I not getting that? Doesn't matter. I can't post people's comments today. That's a bit of a shame. Never mind. I am loopring. I am in loopring. Oh, I see. What's the word I hear? Talk Shiba Inu. Plenty with it going to pop. Oh, don't bother with other cryptocurrencies, Bill. I mean, that's not financial advice. You've got to do your own thing, but I wouldn't be bothered with it if I was you. Let's look at the charts. We've got 6 minutes to go. We're getting lots of sell-offs. Look at all these dips here going on. If you're over there on TikTok, you want to be part of YouTube, you want to be part of it, you can't see my trading screens, biggest IPO ever. I'll tell you why it's going to be the biggest IPO ever, because the whole world now very quickly is switching to electric. It's policy around the world. It's been written in law in Europe and Britain. America is behind. It's going to catch up though. And Rivian is the reason why it's going to be so big is not because of trucks. It's got nothing to do with it. America is a very small part of it. It's the overall globe. Amazon going with electric vans. What that will do, that will promote electric vans everywhere. Everyone sees an Amazon van turn up, right? You see an Amazon van turn up, it's electric, it's cool, you want it, it's good for the environment, it's quiet, it's clean. This is a major, major, major push and a major commercial for electric vehicles. And it's the first one backed by Amazon. That's why this is going to be the biggest IPO ever. And I'm so excited that we've got Yoel Hyman and we've got Dr. Nathan Smith. They've got shares. Now, you guys have got to be watching it for me. In the live chat, keeping me up to date with exactly how many shares you've got. Okay, that's very, very important. I want to know. I want you to keep me up to date. We are in for one hell of a day, and I'm going to be with you all day today. I'm not going anywhere. All right. I'm looking to get 1,600 hours. So if I can get 1,600 people watch for an hour, so everyone click the share button, we can monetize this channel in one day. Because I'm up to 2,600. I need 1,400 hours to do it. I'm also watching, just so I know it's a little sideline for you all, but this is my analytics here on my channel right now. You see all this now? If you zoom in, you'll be able to see the different things that are going on there. These are all the numbers of the videos, and we'll watch it. This is what you're going to watch over here. How many people start watching this video and getting involved. So that's what we're going to keep our eye on. It's very, very exciting. Right. We've got 4 minutes to go, 3.5 minutes to go. I am looking to sell some of my stock. Tesla is down. I'm not buying anything at all. Elon Musk is trying to get me to buy. That's why he tweeted. Got nothing to do with his taxes. How ridiculous. All this tweeting about selling Tesla stock, it got people to sell out, and people are buying dips, and they won't have the money to buy into Rivian. It's great. It's great. It's genius. It's genius. But I actually fell into it a little bit myself yesterday. I bought one, and I was hoping for a quick pop and sell that one share, and then I would have got myself a free Rivian stock. That's because I think it'll pop about 100. Now I want everyone to tell me, what do you think in the live chat? What do you think Rivian is going to open at? Now we have some insiders. We have Yoel Hyman and Dr. Nathan Smith. They are in. They've got their stock. They have got their stock. They will know before we do what it is. So please do stay with us. Keep us up to date and let us know exactly what is going on. All right, Amazon is tanking. Look at that. I can't believe Amazon is tanking. But, you know, big days like this is all about volatility. If you're over on TikTok, you're missing everything. You want to be part of the YouTube channel. See what's going on. Click the profile here. Click the icon and come into YouTube. If you're watching us on YouTube, go into the live chat and tell us where you're from in the world. We want everyone to put now their city or their country in the live chat, and also tell me what you think Rivian will open at. We're going to do some analysis together here today. We're going to have some votes. We're going to run a competition. Mr. Steckel thinks 100. If everybody could, who's watching live right now, smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe and ring the bell. But please give us Manchester. Alan Chadwick is from Manchester. Thank you, Alan. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but based here in Texas now. And this is where my studio is. Liverpool, Mr. Steckel. Great. Let's get everyone's countries and predictions of the stock price. We've got 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Very, very exciting. If you refresh your screen, bring yourself up to date. So you are literally up to date just to make sure that you're with me live. Some of you may be behind. Drag the timeline forward. You don't want to miss a second. We got 1 minute to go. Muzanella is here. Hi. Muzanella says 79. 79. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. I think you're all way off. Let's find out. It'll be way over. I think it'll be way over 100. Way over 100. I think you're all wrong, but we'll see. I'm putting my neck on the line just to get it chopped off. If you're over there on TikTok, we're now blowing up. This is great for our channel. We've now got 18 watching, 15 likes. This is great. We're a brand new channel. We're only like 10 weeks old this week. Really, really exciting. Dr. Nathan Smith adds up rated to 85. Okay, here's the bell. Are you ready? We're not going to miss the bell. We've got coming up to 10 seconds. Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring that bell and let's watch what's going on. Let's go to the live position. Let's not miss a thing. Everybody, oh, there we go. Look at that. That doesn't happen by a morning. Normally goes down. There we go. Let's ring that bell again. And we're off to the races now. I've got my money on standby. We are now in. Rivian is now live. Rivian is now trading. We are on it. Let's go over to the Rivian Twitter page and keep our eye. Are they posting anything yet? We'll be watching this throughout the morning. Nothing yet. We'll be back to that. You won't miss anything with me, I promise. Virgin Galactic is going down. Tesla is not doing anything right now. My portfolio, the overall, we're getting a drop of 0.25%. Robinhood, I've got all these stocks that I believe will be most affected by Rivian. That's why I'm bringing these up to you. This is why I'm showing you all of this. Bitcoin is now approaching 70,000. Absolutely awesome. All right, Tesla's moving down. Let's keep our eye on it. So, we've now got 18 watching. Thank you very much indeed. Over there on TikTok, you're missing all the fun on Twitter. Come and join us here on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, be here on YouTube. Talk to our live chat. Talk to our live traders, analysis guys from around the world. We've got people here who have the pre-IPO. You can talk to them. You can find out. If you want to be part of that, come into YouTube. The links are below wherever you're watching. On TikTok, click the icon, click the profile, and click the YouTube link. You want to talk to our traders who have inside information. They have the pre-IPO. They will see it before anyone. Virgin Galactic is now down 4%. Everything is dropping now. This is having a huge effect around the world. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla tank. We are down 2%. We're coming to 3%. Everything is moving. This is going to be a huge, huge day. This could be Elon Musk. I wouldn't be surprised if Elon Musk now is selling his Tesla. I wouldn't be surprised because if he does it, if it tanks, people will sell, they'll buy. It will send the world upside down. Elon Musk loves the drama. He loves it. Like I do. It's all fun at the end of the day. As long as you protect yourself, do the right thing. This is a lot of fun. A lot of money is being made today and a lot of money is being lost today. Don't be the one that loses your shirt today. Look at this movement today. I told you it would be the biggest IPO in history. It will be, and it is already happening. It's affecting everything. Who's excited? Who's excited? If life is not for being excited, what is the point of living? Okay? If anyone's complaining that I'm getting too excited, then sod it. What is the point? You know, you can be unexcited when you're dead, all right? Because you'll be asleep forever. Enjoy yourself. Let's get excited about what's going on in the world. The world is changing. Look at this. Everything is dropping. You could have sold everything. I could have sold my entire portfolio today and just bought everything dropping down. Everyone is selling out. Everyone is repositioning. Dr. Nathan Smith and my mate Yoel Hyman are going to get rich today. They're going to get rich today because they have stock in, they have the pre-IPO. If they lose money, I will fall off my chair. I will literally fall off my chair for you live on the show just for the entertainment factor alone. Great inflation play, AGNYSE. We love the enthusiasm. Great. It's genuine. It's real. I can't believe how everything is blowing. Right, we got 19 watching now. When everyone smash the like buttons, click subscribe and ring the bell, you're in the best place today because other channels that are covering the Rivian IPO are trying to influence it. They're trying to sell you something. They have an inside agenda. I'm not a monetized channel yet. I don't sell you anything whatsoever. I'm just here to enjoy and share with everyone what is going on. And look at this. Look at my portfolio tanking. I'm not bothered about it, though. Do I care? Do I heck? Right. What am I going to do? I mean, yeah, buy some more Tesla? That's exactly what Elon Musk wants you to do. You want to do that? Remember the golden rule of trading. Buy when everyone else is selling. Sell when everyone else is buying. Okay? What's happening now is we're being manipulated. We're being controlled. Marco Conti, when's the IPO drop? It normally drops within 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes a bit later. So we don't know. But you will see it live, and you have two people here in the pre-IPO, in the live chat. Musanella, are you in? Are you in with the live, with the IPO? Are you in on the pre-IPO? Has anybody else got shares in it? We know that Dr. Nathan Smith does. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited by watching my graph go up. This is my channel right now. My channel is lifting up, as you can see it now. I'll keep my eye on that. That's that's my payday. Even though I earn absolutely sod all, I just enjoy the success of it all. So hitting targets every day. Right, there's the bounce. There's the bounce. You could have sold 10.10. What does 10.10 mean? What's 10 past 10? Is that when the IPO dropped? 10.10? No funds to use. No funds, that's okay. Right, here we go. Look, we're up. We've made some profits already. Now, Tesla is returning. Did you buy a dip? Did you hold on? What did you do? Virgin Galactic is now recovering. Lucid is now recovering. Okay. People sold, they took profit, they're getting ready to make money with Rivian. That is exactly what is happening right now. Robinhood is down 4%. It's tempting. It's tempting me in. Amazon is down 1%. What the heck? The IPO, yes, 10 past 10, right. But we'll be here live with it throughout the day. Harpoon Therapeutics, thank you. These are all stocks related in some way to the Rivian IPO. See this? I kept these all open for you because I knew that these would be relative to each other. Even though you're going, what the hell's Harpoon Therapeutics? Because I understand the way people are reacting. It's nothing about the stock. It's nothing about charts. It's all about human behavior. It's all about people. People are the ones that are buying and selling the stock today, not the stock, not the charts. Not the charts. And we've got people here today studying charts, and that's great. We've got some charts. There we go. Let me give you some charts. There we go. There's your charts. But remember, it's human beings who click the buttons. It's human beings who are affected by what happens here today. That's exactly why Harpoon Therapeutics is going up today, because people are taking profits. People are getting excited. People are opening their minds to new ideas. That is what's going on here today. All right? It's got nothing to do with charts. It's got nothing to do with the Elon Musk tax bill. It's got everything to do with fun, energy, enthusiasm, blind craziness. That's what it's got to do with. What do they say? What is it? The Wolf of Wall Street said? It's all fugazi. Is that the word? Fugazi. It is. As long as the fundamentals underneath are delivered at some point, right? Tesla makes great cars. Lucid makes great cars. Amazon is amazing for shopping. Underneath, the fundamentals are great. You can't go wrong, right? But the trades in between, all the drama, that's all based on fugazi. All right, Virgin Galactic is picking up. Lucid is picking up. Hood is still going down. We're going to watch it. I might buy in some. I got $3,000, but right now I'm saving it. You watch when the market suddenly opens and everybody can buy in with Rivian. Then that's going to blow everything crazy. Right now, all retail investors, the majority of us all sitting here doing absolutely nothing. We're like powerless. What do we do? Do we spend our money on something else? I don't know what to do. Oh dear, oh dear. No, we just sit and wait for the minute. Just sit and wait. All right. Argo London up 10%. Is it? Argo blockchain up 10%. That's only because of Bitcoin. Patricia and Alicia are here. Fantastic. They are here. The biggest IPO ever. We've had so much fun already on the show. Click the thumbs up button, everybody. We've got 18 likes now. We got 19 watching. Subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be reminded about all the live shows that we do. Breaking news, we're going to be here. We have people here today with the pre-IPO. Let me take a breather. Let me drink down some of this good food. Here we go. Tesla is now pumping. Look at the energy. Look at the energy now coming back. All right. Look at the energy coming back now into the EV space. I told you. Graphics card was the 19th like. We need one more like, and I'll blow the air horn. If we can get one more like, if everyone can click the share button, share this. You can share it via text. You can text all your friends the link to this video. If anyone does that today, I'll give you a prize. I don't know what I can give you. Oh yeah, everyone's getting a mug, right? Muzanella's giving everybody a mug. So everybody on YouTube is getting a mug. So I want everyone to click the share button. Great show, brother. Keep it up. Marco Conti. Did you say you're from Manchester? I'm from Cornwall in the UK. I'm a Man United fan. Are you a Man United fan or a Man City fan? Yeah, I'd love to know. Right, hang on. Look at my portfolio now. We're now up. On the day, I am now down 0.25%, but on the last few minutes, I'm up 0.5% on in the last hour. So that's great. Tesla's now pumping. Virgin Galactic's moving up. Lucid will follow Tesla. Done. Me too. Glad to be here. 20 likes. Oh! There we go. The all-time record was 34 likes. That was the Apple earnings report. I think it was. Let's have a sip of this. If you're over here on TikTok, you are missing all the action. Everybody on TikTok is missing the action. You're not real traders. You need to be part of YouTube. Scroll, click the icon, click the profile, and then see the YouTube link. Come on in. If you're watching me on Twitter, if you're watching me on Facebook, come to YouTube because you can chat directly with my live traders. We have insiders. We have people here with the pre-IPO. You don't want to miss it. This is where all the action is today, and we are on it. Tesla is now pumping. There we go. Great. I said it would, and it's opening the world to EVs. Let's have some vitamins. Lovely. Do you think the EV stocks will go up if Rivian opens 85? Yes. Because it's the biggest commercial, the biggest advert ever for electric cars. Everything is changing. People, get on. Henry Ford brought the car out. Nobody had a car. People were scrambling to make cars, right? No one had a car. You had to be rich. One person had a car. Two people had a car. More car companies. Now you've got everybody who has a car needs to get a new one. And they do. And then when they start seeing the Amazon van turn up with their Christmas presents, thinking that's cool. That's cool. When Amazon has an Amazon van all over the world, everybody will want to buy one. Everybody want an electric car. Where are they going to go? Tesla. This is great for Tesla. This is great for Lucid. All EVs will go up. Yes, they will. Look at my portfolio. I'm up nearly 1% now. Tesla is now pumping. Remember, it has nothing to do with charts, has everything to do with human beings and emotion. We do the right thing, we do the wrong thing, but whatever it is, it's us who does it. It's not charts, it's not predictions, it's not people telling you what to do. It's emotions, it's fate, it's Fakazi, right? Have I got that word right? I'm not sure I have. Lucid, right. Robinhood, see. No one's putting any money. Amazon's now coming up. See, I told you. Let me show you. Look, Amazon's now lifting up. See. This is going to be a great Harpoon Therapeutics. I brought that in to show you how that would be related. See, that's up as well. Okay, Bitcoin is now just at 68. It was as high as 68.8 a few moments ago. Right. Look at my portfolio, up over 1% now. Cheers, everybody. Okay, smash the like button. Everyone smashed it. Has everybody shared the video? If you're watching this right now, I'm doing this for love, for free. Look at the buying power now. Look at that volume coming into. Look at that green candle there. If you like your charts, if you like your candles, look at that. Bentley time. Be right back. The dog's getting a walk. You can't miss this, Bill. You can't miss this. The poor old dog's got his legs crossed. I want to go for a pee. Let me out. Really, really great. Really, really great. Welcome to the studio. If you've just joined us, smash the like button. Be part of it. Be part of what I believe is going to be the biggest IPO ever. It's going to wake up the world to EVs. It's going to wake up the world to Amazon. Great publicity to Amazon, by the way. Who are you going to get? Who's going to deliver your stock? Amazon? Of course they are. Absolutely great. Let's go back to the trading screen right now. We're at 1%. Tesla is now pumping. Tesla could have a huge lift today. This is exactly what I predicted would happen. Oh, and it's still going. Look at this. Virgin Galactic's going to pump. All these stocks I'm showing you are related. Right. Just so I know I'm not talking to myself, because I'm putting a lot of effort in here. Can... everybody who's watching me in the live chat, everybody's watching me, right, on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, you need to be on YouTube. You're missing out, right? Click the profile, click the icon, jump into YouTube. If you're on Facebook, if you're on if you're on Twitch, if you're on Facebook pages and groups, if you're on Twitter, you need to be on YouTube. Martyn Lucas on YouTube. It's live. You can talk to my traders. We've got traders here on the inside who have the pre-IPO. Talk to them, know what's going on. Everybody in the live chat that's watching me right now, say, I'm here. No, don't put that. Saying, I'm in. I'm in. Everyone write, I'm in the live chat. I want to know who I'm talking to, right? So, there we go. Right. There we go. Virgin Galactic about to make some money today. Leah, I'm in. Ryan Dundon, Twitch is owned by Amazon. There we go. I'm on Twitch right now. Twitch, sorry. Yes, Twitch. Yes, it is. That's good to know. Graphics card, I'm in. Mr. Steckel, Amazon just delivered my parcel in an electric van. You are kidding me. Yeah. Mr. Steckel, did that actually happen? That didn't happen. Did that happen? That can't happen. Dave Mottram, I'm in. Look at all these. Alexander, I'm in. Right, let's get some energy, people. Energy. Right, we're changing the world today, and we can do it together. Look at Tesla, up 3%. Oh, get in. Get in. I love it. I absolutely love it. My portfolio is now up 1.38%. No, honestly, Mr. Steckel just had a delivery live on the show, live right now, delivered by an electric Amazon van. This is cool. This is cool. Very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. I'm so excited. The planet is smiling today. The planet is smiling today. Let me show that. I had to show that. There we go. Amazon owns MGM and Whole Foods too. I hate Amazon though because they are ruining my city, Seattle. And the world. And Bezos is I can't pronounce that. I can't read that out. You may not like, cheers, mate. You are home and wow. You may not, you look at Amazon pumping, folks. Told you it would. You may not love Jeff Bezos. I don't love Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is an arrogant so-and-so, isn't he? And he looks silly in a cowboy hat as well. I'm just saying, I know I've got a lot of friends here in Texas, and a lot of people hate me for saying that, but I think when people put on a giant hat, and it's like 4 times the size of their head, it looks stupid. Hang on a minute. I've just realised what I just said there, because in London, look at the Coldstream Guards. How big is that hat they wear? So maybe I should shut up about hats. All right, okay, whatever. You can wear a big hat. If you've got a big head, you can put a big hat on. I forgot that. All right. I can't go against the Queen. You can wear a big hat. It's fine. Tesla is now pumping up 3%. Oh, my God. And I bought another share last night. I knew it. I'm up 15% now on my Tesla. Thank you very much. Ryan Dundon, right? How is Rivian valued at 75 a share? That's insane. Right, let me tell you why. The world is changing. This is not just another new company. This is not just, well, let's value it on the stock. Let's value it on the customers. Let's value it on how much business we've got, so on and so forth. It's because everything today changes. COP26, the environmental summit over in Glasgow in the UK. Everything rewritten, everything's changing. If you're over on TikTok, click the link, click the profile, come on into YouTube. You're missing the entire show, right? You can't see nothing there. Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Join me on YouTube. The just like Tesla, the value of the company will grow into the stock price because it's playing catch up. This is not the day when Henry Ford made a car and one by one cars started to appear around the world. Everybody needs an electric car. If you're in America right now, you don't understand this. If you're in Europe or Britain or Scandinavia, Norway, Amsterdam, you know what I'm talking about. You know it's in policy. You know you can't buy a gas car in 2 or 3 years' time. It's outlawed. It's banned. It's being written down in government policy. So the world is playing catch up. Rivian's value will be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a share in a couple of years' time. It may even grow into that quicker because it's the future value of the company. The whole world is going to need an electric car. The whole world is going to have Amazon deliveries in electric vans, and we're playing catch up. We're playing catch up. We're going to put electric vehicles on bloody Mars, for God's sake. We're reinventing the wheel. Don't think when Rivian opens at $100, it's expensive. It will drop, it will go up, it will go down. But if I drop all my money on it the moment it opens, I don't care. And I don't care if it goes down, because it's going to go back up again. It's going to be huge because Amazon is the biggest, one of the biggest businesses in the world. It's going with the electric vans. It's going to be in government policy. Look at the candles now on Tesla. Look at this. And Rivian is backed by, I mean, why do you think Ford have bought in? Why do you think Ford have 12% of Rivian? Why do you think everyone's... and the trouble is, most of the people that are investing it don't even get what it is. They're going, oh, well, yeah, it's a bit overvalued. It should be $30, $40 a share. It shouldn't be 78. What's going on? Because they're looking at the trucks. No one cares about trucks around the world. No one cares about the Rivian trucks. In America, they love the truck. America's one tiny piece. Nothing. It's insignificant. Where the money is at is the Amazon van. That is the future. And what it is it's an advert. Look, Amazon's up. I told you it would. I'm not showing you, am I? Here we go. Amazon is up because this is a commercial for forward thinking. This is a commercial for where the world is going, not where it's been. Look at Harpoon pumping. Absolutely fantastic. I knew this was going to happen today. This is why I brought it into this stock today to share with you. Bitcoin is now approaching $70,000. You are correct, Muzana. My personal opinion, Rivian will be in off-road and commercial vehicles. Yes, it'll be off-road and commercial. That is the whole thing. Commercial vehicles. Tesla isn't touching it. Tesla will have the semi truck. It's got the semi truck coming out. But Amazon has the jump on the electric truck. Now, we've got lots of people now watching, coming in. My YouTube channel is blowing up. We want this to be the main center today for honest, real, genuine trading on Rivian. If you're watching right now, click subscribe and ring the bell. We are live. I'm going to be with you all day. This is going to be the biggest IPO in history. I'm going to show you why it's going to be the biggest IPO in history. Please click subscribe, ring the bell. But more importantly, guys, help us grow on YouTube. Smash the like button right now. We want to get this video in front of everyone today because this is not a monetized channel. I get nothing out of doing this. But I want the other channels that are promoting it to sell their crypto to promote their trading schemes to be obliterated by what I'm doing here today, because I want to reach people and educate people about the benefits of electric vehicles, about the environment, about Rivian, about Tesla, about Amazon, why this is so important. And the fact that Rivian is going to explode today, whatever the price, I couldn't care less, I'm going to buy it. Commercial vehicles being electrified will change the world forever. And everyone will want to get an electric van. And when everyone sees Amazon show up outside the front door, as one of our guests here did this morning, then we will all want to buy electric vans, electric cars. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay, we are keeping our eye, and we're talking to Dr. Nathan Smith and also Yoel Hyman. Yoel Hyman, I want to make Yoel Hyman a featured member of the chat. I'm going to make him a moderator. There we go. Yoel Hyman, you are a moderator now to my channel. Congratulations for that honor I've bestowed upon you. Take it as an honor, because it is. It's meant because I love you to bits. I think you're a great guy. But Dr. Nathan Smith and Yoel Hyman have pre-IPO shares. They will know before anyone, because they will get informed of what's going on. Samantha Snowden, I'm new. I just joined eToro. Welcome, Samantha Snowden. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. If you smash the like button and hit subscribe and ring the bell. I use Robinhood because I can trade for free. I love it. It's the best. It's the best app. If anyone is here from the US, wants a free stock, remember, I don't sell anything here today. I don't sell or influence anything. I have no training scheme for you to sign up with. I get nothing out of it whatsoever. But if you want a free stock, I get a free stock, you get a free stock. If you're in the US, there's my referral in the chat right there. Okay, click on that. If you want to follow me on Twitter and get behind the scenes of all the trades that we do and see my full portfolio, and you want honest opinion, not biased, I am here for the love of this community and family. That's how I make my money. Everything, my portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 57,000, just dropped back to 56. All from itself. I've put no money in now. I'm working on profits, and I'm growing because I learned from you. We are a family of traders and people here today that learn from each other, and that's how I've grown. Samantha Snowden, I'm in the UK, unfortunately. Oh, I'm sorry about that. eToro is what you use. That's great. Robert Tainch. I have 3,887 shares of Rivian. Thank you for being here. I can't thank you enough. Absolutely great. We have a superstar in the house today. Absolutely great. I hope you've smashed the like button, sir. I hope you're part of our show. If you subscribe and ring the bell, we're live here every day for the opening and closing. But today we're here for a special, the biggest IPO ever. Click the thumbs up button. Yoel, Robert, really? That is a huge investment. Mate, we have regular guys like me and you. I'm just a regular guy, right? Because some here, let's do a little bit of maths here, right? Is my look? Let me do it. Let me do it live for you, right? I know you're all going, hang on a minute, how much is that? How much? 3,887 times 78. That's $303,000. We are watching Robert today, if he's not already, I'm sure he already is, become a millionaire live on the show. If he's not a millionaire now, which I'm sure he is because he's invested that amount of money, he will be a millionaire by the end of the day. There's absolutely no doubt about it. Now, it could just tank and then buy back in again. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter if it tanks, because it's not about the entry price. It's not even about the day one price. It's about the price it will be in a month, in a year. That's what it's about. No one cares if it tanks. I couldn't care less. I don't care what I pay for it. And I am obviously frustrated that I didn't buy it through SoFi. I had the nod. I was told you could buy it today on SoFi. Dr. Nathan Smith gave me that information. I didn't, because my thing is about this platform. Everything I'm doing is for you. Everything I've grown, my portfolio is for you. It's not to sell or influence anything. And if I bought on another platform, this story, look at that, folks, this story wouldn't be as pure and as clean and as straight as it is. I would have money from somewhere else, so I didn't want to do that. I'm keeping it all on here. So give me some love, guys, because I could have bought some Rivian on SoFi, but I decided to do it this way. Ryan Dundon, pre-IPO, some people can get the stock beforehand. Yes, indeed. Well, I'd rather have the same amount of shares for half the price. Indeed, you would. That's a good move. The resident, the stock is not for sale yet. How did you get the stocks? Pre-IPO. Pre-IPO. We've got Yoel Hyman in the chat. Talk to Yoel Hyman. He is a pre-IPOer. Robert Tainch is a pre-IPOer. They have the stock already. If you're over there on TikTok, boy, are you missing everything. Click the profile, click the icon, click the YouTube link. You are missing everything today. You're not part of it. You need to be part of it. We've got people in here today who are in the pre-IPO, insiders who knows what's going on. And you can see on my trading screens, look at this, Tesla up 3%. When it tanks after IPO, that's why I won't invest today. You are, Ryan, with the greatest respect, you're missing the point. I understand you are saying, I want to get it when it drops. It may drop, it may not. It's not about timing the market. It's not about, did I buy it at $100 or did I buy it at $50? That's irrelevant when the stock reaches 4,000, which it will. Which it will. So it has nothing to do with the price. It's everything to do with the value. Everything. You want to be in. You want to be in. You totally want to be in. But I don't care. I don't get nothing out of it. I get nothing at all for sitting here, running the studio, all the rest of it. Nothing at all. Amazon up pumping. Told you it would. Harpoon Therapeutics up pumping. Everything I predicted is up. Bitcoin is about to go to 100,000. That will be affected by this. Forward thinking, new ideas, human beings, nothing to do with charts whatsoever, everything to do with human emotion, everything to do with feelings, the way the world is going, and so on and so forth. But don't take my word for it. Talk to my team. Listen to everybody that's here. Don't be influenced by anyone. Open your mind to new ideas. You sound insane comparing Rivian to Tesla or Lucid, that's all. No, it's nothing to do with that. Lucid, I'm in. I have shares in Lucid. I have shares in Tesla. Rivian has nothing to do with those two. Tesla is by far bigger than Rivian. Tesla is not about cars, though. If you think it's about cars, then you're wrong. Tesla is about technology, software, the future of AI, the future of automation has nothing to do with their cars, their batteries, their wind, their solar. That's the true value of Tesla, which hasn't yet been realized. Tesla is way bigger. But what we're talking about with Rivian today is not cars, is not trucks. It's the commercial value of promoting electric commercial vehicles with Amazon around the world. Nothing to do with trucks in the US, nothing to do with cars, everything to do with the commercial for electric commercial vehicles. So stop comparing them. They're related. They're related, and the reason why they're related. Elon Musk tweeted about selling 10% of Tesla. Remember that? And everyone was saying it's got everything. It's because of his tax bill, or this and that and the other, or that he wants to lower the price of Tesla. Nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that at all. It's everything to do with Elon Musk is a passionate human being. Couldn't care less about money. Doesn't care about money. Doesn't care about anything really. He just likes creating and inventing stuff, and he loves being on top. Right? That's all it is. And when he tweeted, it was because he wanted to scupper the IPO. He wanted to scupper the Rivian IPO. That's exactly why he did it. Because Tesla's shares started to tank because everybody thought Elon was going to sell out. So they bought the dip. Less money then came into Rivian because it drew all the attention away from Rivian to Tesla. That's all that was. It was a publicity stunt for Elon Musk. Come on, people. It's as clear as day. That's why I'm comparing them. They're all related. Elon Musk wants to be and is currently the richest man in the world, and he wants Jeff Bezos to be crushed. And the two of them together are always fighting. Why do you think? Look at the fun we've had with the Blue Origin, with the giant dildo, all the rest of it. You know all about the Twitter, you know all about the Reddit, you know all about all the social media. It's a game between. Look at my portfolio exploding. This is great. It's got everything to do with Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. Remember everything I've said today. It's nothing to do with stocks, and charts. It's to do with people and emotion and where the world is going and how the world is changing. Look at all my stocks that are going directly up because of it. There you go. So I hate Bezos. He's ruining the world and my city. I'm so sorry he's doing that. And you're probably right. Look at Tesla's chart. If you're a chart lover, you'll like this. Look at this. Look at that. See, what's happening now is people bought the dip. They're realizing they're watching my channel. They're buying back into Tesla. Tesla's pumping up. They haven't got any money to buy into Rivian. Oh dear. Elon Musk is sitting going, yep. I told everybody I was going to sell my stock on Twitter, and they all believe me. He may do it again. He may do it. He hasn't done it yet. He may do it, but the fact he mentioned the fact he was doing it, everybody started to sell. Oops! All the Tesla stock dropped. People bought the dips. Oh, I haven't got any money now to buy Rivian. Oh, that's a surprise. Oh, I love it. I love it. Come to Seattle and see the poverty and people living in tents downtown, and tell me Amazon is good. I understand that. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. We're talking about the global picture here. If anyone knows me, you know I'm all about the environment. I'm all about people, right? Everything I do here is about people. My family, why everybody watches me, why this channel has grown so quickly from in just the 10 weeks old now, is because I'm a real, genuine person. I just want everyone to know I'm not a professional financial advisor. No, I'm not. I'm actually the world piano man. All right, I've done 195 countries. This is my TV studio, and I sing live every day from my studio. I do concerts in the evening. I'm an entertainer. I'm a musician. But I'm very much about the environment. I'm very much about saving the planet and doing the right thing. So, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to sell anything or manipulate anything whatsoever. I'm just here to support people and grow our portfolios. And that's it. That's basically what I'm doing here. I think Lucid is undervalued. They literally make the batteries for Formula E. I know. That's why I bought in. The Lucid car is amazing. Love Lucid, and as you can see, I have Lucid. It's a 11.5% of my portfolio, and I do agree with you. Lucid is undervalued. Absolutely, it'll ramp up and it'll explode. All of these EVs will. It's why everything's pumping today. And it's why Tesla is on fire. Exactly. Elon Musk loves many of Elon Musk's employees are millionaires. Did you know that? They all have wonderful stock options. He loves it. He loves his company and people that work for him doing well. That stock dropping, many of his I wish there was a way to read it, but I'm sure many of his employees would have bought into the cheap stock for Tesla and took advantage of that drop, and they're all now making money. He's taken it away from Rivian. That's what this whole thing's about. I thought Rivian were launching at 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's already happened. The pre-IPO has happened. We've got members of the team here with shares. We've got people here in the pre-IPO. We will see Rivian hit the floor on the market any minute now. It'll probably be around about 10 o'clock, but you will see it here first, and you will know before the price hits what it is as well, because we've got people here in the stock. They already have their stock on hand. They've got the pre-IPO. We are waiting for it. It's RIVN is the ticker. Here it is. Here it is. You can see it. You ready? There it is, up on the screen. Okay? Hasn't started trading yet. It's sitting there, waiting to go. So I will buy. In fact, I'm going to do it now. Buy. Oh, I can't yet. I can't click buy. Boo! I can't click buy. No, I can't do anything for the minute. Let me have a look. So if I set myself now, as far as working entertainment, haha, me too. I'm a stagehand and like, oh great. Did you say you're in the UK? Oh no, you're in the US, aren't you? That's right. We talked about your city being ruined by Amazon. Yeah, that's right. I've toured 195 countries. I was voted the world piano man. That's what I do. Yes, I sing in 14 voices, 7 different languages, live from my studio. So right, I'm going to buy. Let me set this to buy. Buy shares. So if I go 20, 50. Yeah, it won't even limit price. I don't care. I'm watching it. I'm going to keep coming back to that. I have to set. You have to set your limit price first. Yeah, I know. I'm just thinking. Should I buy it now or should I wait for it to pop out? Because it's impossible. I mean, you don't know what the price is. That's the problem. I can't set a price. I've got no idea. It could open at any price. Well, I mean, if I put $100, limit price 100, buy 50 shares, estimated cost will be 5,000. 5, 10. Let's go 20. $2,000. There we go. Let's say it opens. So I'm gonna. There we go. I'm gonna buy Rivian. I'll put a limit price of $100. Okay, just so I can get in. Limit price of $100. In fact, it doesn't really matter. Would I buy it for more? No, I'll set it $100. Limit price $100. 20 shares. Good for the day. Estimated cost $2,000. Estimated price. The limit, that's the most I'll pay for it. 20 shares, $2,000. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that then. Review the order. And I will buy. So I'm going to buy. You're watching me do it live right now. Oh, Ryan Dundon. That's cool. I have worked at a Billy Joel concert. Oh, great. We got a Billy Joel... we got another musician here in the house, Yoel Hyman. Are you still here? He's a musician as well. I thought he was the piano man. I guess the song was about you. Yeah. I was voted world piano man by Sir Elton John. That's how I get my title. And yes, indeed, Jesse, this is insane. I should be at. It should be $50 in a month. Then I'll buy more. If it is, that's what I'll do. So limit price $100 a share. Okay, I'm going to set a limit price of $100 a share. 20, that's $2,000. That'll leave me $3,000. If it then drops, I will buy more. The uber rich and people who started the company will sell off with this madness. They may with this madness. They may do. That's absolutely fine if they do that. But I want to be in it from the beginning. Yes, still here. So there we go. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy 20 shares let me just think a minute. I've set a limit price for 100. If I buy 10, that'll be $1,000. If it then goes up, I'm just trying to think. It could very well drop, and I don't mind. I will buy the dip. It doesn't matter. If it's 100, then it goes to 50, I'll buy the dip. I couldn't care less. When's it open? Any moment now. We're just waiting for it. We're just waiting for it to pop any moment now. Let me just think for a minute. If I do 20, I tell you what, I'll split that. I'll split that so I've got some more money on hand. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to do 15. I'm going to do 15 shares. Okay? Limit price $100. 15 shares, that's $1.5 grand. I then can buy the dip and half my average price. Say, for example, it drops by 50% and I buy another 15 shares. That will then give me a value of, that'll halve my, okay, Piano Man, don't lose your arse here this week. I won't do that, mate. Yes, your average down. Yeah, agree. $50 in a month. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So $100 limit price. Shares 15. $1,500. Estimated price 78. I may get it for 78. Who knows? Okay, review the order. That'll leave me $1,500 on hand. I can buy the dip. Right? Should I buy it? Review the order. Are you ready? Should I buy? Everyone, what do you reckon, everybody? Should I buy it? I already know I'm going to buy it. Okay? Buy. Done. Rivian order placed. Shares purchased, 15. There we go. Your limit order buy of Rivian has been placed. Done. Okay. If we look now on my limit order, there it is. Rivian. Limit buy, place, good for the day. Limit price $150. There it is. There it is. You've seen me do it. So we're all ready to go. We're going to keep our eye on it. And I've now got $1.5 grand in my portfolio. So what I will do, buy, yes. See? Ryan Dundon, why are you so into Rivian and not so much Lucid? I am. What do you want about? I've got 138 shares of Lucid. Of course I'm into Lucid. I have 138 shares. Look. I also have Tesla. Look. I have 8 shares of Tesla. Very much more expensive, right? I've got $8,000 of Tesla. I've got $6,000 of Lucid. And I will have, in a moment, I will have 15 shares of Rivian. Yo Hyman says yes. By the way, by me placing that order, I just want to say, everybody, I want some love for doing that, because me placing that order, I could have bought it on SoFi and saved myself some money. Also, but I wanted it to be right for you. Also, by me placing my order, right? You know what that means? You know what that means? It means the price is more likely to go up, because the more people who put orders in, the more the price is going to go up. So thanks to me, your shares are going to go up. You know I'm joking, right? Takes a bit more than me, doesn't it? Okay. Right. Let's bring in the chart for Rivian. I want to open up the chart. If you're watching right now, my audience is going up and up, and everyone's liking it. 100% likes. Right, we've got 26 watching and 26 likes. Fantastic. If you haven't watched it, if you haven't liked it, and for some reason you're liking it later, like it. Right. Okay, let me go on here. Let me open up Robinhood, and I want to go into Rivian, RIVN. Just the same as Michael Saylor. Constantly buying Bitcoin. People are going, oh, you're stupid. You're paying like $68,000 a coin. He's still buying it. So when people tell me I'm paying too much for Rivian, it's because they don't understand that the value of the future of technology, software, Amazon, on and on and on. It goes on forever. Where do I begin? Where do I begin? All right, let's go on to the chart. This is my portfolio right now, live, up 1.75 on the hour. We've got the Rivian chart open. This will populate the moment it starts to trade. You'll see it there. Good point. What point is that? Okay, I'll tell you a story. I bought a bunch of Victoria's Secret when it IPO'd at 75 a share. Now I'm sitting here and it's 50. Yeah, I wouldn't have bought that at Victoria's Secret. We're talking about the world. We're talking about the world changing. We're talking about so much more than a stock. We're talking about a revolution of ideas, a forward thinking, of going interplanetary. We're not talking about cars. We're not talking about trucks. Everybody in America is focused on the bloody truck. Nothing to do with it. It's a commercial. Amazon vans. We got one of our guys here today who said an Amazon van, an electric Amazon van, turned up at his house today to deliver his parcel. What does that do to him? Psychology. What does that do to him when he sees an Amazon van turn up? Are you still here? That person that told me that, are you still here? Are you still here? I want to know what you think about that. All right? How does it make you feel? A bunch of Victoria, and now I'm sitting here at $50, and that's actually the biggest, sexiest lingerie company on the world. It is. I think Victoria's Secret is great, but I wouldn't buy stock in it. Rivian has a 1 car a day. Yep. It's not about the car. It's not about the production. It's about where it's going. It's about the idea. Remember Tesla? Remember Tesla when everybody said it's ridiculous, it's stupid. Remember Tesla? Look what happened to Tesla. The Queen of Self-Braiding, she liked it. Dutrack, good point about the buying. LOL, hot words. Don't go all Donald Trump and just say hot words. He's like, it's all about the future. Technology, Amazon, the world. I love it. We're having some fun here today, all right? That's great. Actually, I've never been compared to Donald Trump before. I'm from Cornwall, a little village, 2,000-year-old village of history, of integrity and beauty and natural environment in England. I couldn't be less like Donald Trump at all. And in fact, I got no flipping hair. So there you go. I'm the opposite, right? And I'm from the UK. I can't even have a say. I can't even have a vote. Rivian isn't going into planetary. What Rivian's got, they don't have the battery tech or spaceships. They have a contract for Amazon. Cool. That's it. Yes, indeed. That's it. I get it. Rivian, that's why I'm in Tesla. That's why I'm at Lucid. Lucid for the upmarket cars, like the BMW of cars, the Ferrari, the Rolls Royce of cars. Tesla for the everyman car. That's what's coming. And Rivian for the commercial, for the commercial with Amazon, for the commercial vehicles, and publicizing my Tesla stock. That's what it's about. The guy said they had 11 vans at the yard, and the guys are fighting to get one to drive. Thank you very much, Mr. Steckel. Right. How many people have tweeted that? How many people have said that? It's now on my channel. How many people are now hearing that statement? The guy, this Mr. Steckel, had a delivery today from Amazon. Right? He had a delivery today from Amazon with an electric vehicle. Right? An Amazon Rivian van. Mr. Steckel, the Amazon guy said, they had 11 vans at the yard and the guys are fighting to get one to drive. Of course they are. It's cool. It's quieter. It's better. It's faster. It's more fun. It's more spacious. It's good for the environment. Who wants to turn up with a truck chucking out smoke when you can just have your van at home, plug it into the house? It can even power your house, by the way. Did you know that? Did you know that these electric vans, the Cybertruck, the Lightning, Ford, they can power your house? So if you have a power outage, you don't need a big gas, bloody great energy thing. If you don't believe me, down in the corner here, I don't know if I can show you, can I? No, I don't think I can. Down in the corner here in my studio, I've got a solar-powered battery pack, right? Which is very, very similar to the idea of what Rivian's doing and Tesla and so on and so forth. And this battery pack is powering my studio. right? Well, the trucks are the same. They can power your house, okay? So that's why that's so important. Keeping an eye on the chart. We'll be first with it when it goes live. Hot words. I love it. I didn't say Rivian was going interplanetary. It's all part of it. The world. Remember, the only reason Ford and GM and so on and so forth, and why Rivian exists and why Lucid exists, is because Tesla, Elon Musk, could see the future. He had an open mind. So all these things exist because of forward thinking. Ford didn't want to do it. They were quite happy with their GTs and their Mustangs. And all they're doing is strapping on a battery to a car. That's not about electric cars. Electric cars is about the whole production, the mindset, the way it's produced, the everything. Tesla is not just a car company. A car company is the smallest part of it. The biggest part of it hasn't even been realized. With AI, intelligence, software, your car will no longer be a car. It'll be a floating home in between your locations that you'll work from, you will communicate from. That's where we're going, right? Soon cars will charge themselves. They'll be made of solar panel material, so they'll charge themselves. The cars will just run forever. I like Rivian. I like them a lot, but they are overvalued. No, they're not. They're overvalued on today's market because you're looking at the asset today. You're not looking at the future. Tesla, all I've got to say is the word Tesla. I'll keep saying it. Tesla has a valuation of it's like $1,200 a share or whatever it is right now. It's moving up and down all the time, right? That doesn't make any sense either. And it hasn't even started its growth. It's going to be $4,000 a share because it's so much more than what it is today. We are buying a future. We are not buying a value of a stock. This isn't buying Victoria's Secrets. This isn't buying McDonald's. McDonald's is McDonald's. This isn't buying AT&T. This isn't buying Microsoft. This is buying the future. How do you put a price on the future when the growth is astronomical? That's why, and I say, and I'll stand by it, my portfolio has grown from these principles and these ideas from $5,000. I stripped all my cash out. I reinvested it. I'm now working on the house money, if you like. I don't lose money. I've never lost money on a trade. The only time some of you watching me may say you've lost money on a trade. Oh yeah, you did. I didn't. I repositioned. I saw something with a better opportunity, and I took my loss to put in something that recovered it. So technically, I've not lost. Okay. If my position changes, I adapt. I'm a swing trader, day trader, long-term investor, all together. Tesla shares skid again as investors brace for possible Musk. I'm seeing some news coming out, which is a bit out of date. I apologize for that. That's not relevant right now. Rivian, we're still waiting. 78 right now. Elon, why would hydrogen be better for commercial vehicles? Do you think that green hydrogen is better for commercial vehicles? I don't know the answer to that question. I don't know the honest answer to that question. That was a quick answer, wasn't it? Electricity, however it's created, however it's fueled, will always be how we get the power is another question. Electric vehicles will always be electric vehicles. How we generate the energy into the batteries will be. It's like looking at hybrid cars. They're still electric. They have a gas engine powering a motor. It's how we adapt and what format we use. If Christopher Marantet's here, he'll share with you a wonderful idea he has about what he said about nuclear fusion. It will still be turned into electricity. It will still be an electric car. The gas car's finished. Okay, so Anyway, I've now got $1,600 on standby to buy the dip if it happens. Time is money. Just thinking about charging times. Charging times, not an issue. right? Let me tell you why. Two things. First of all, Rivian now have a car which does 500 miles of range. If you park it in your garage or outside your garage and you plug it in at night, it'll have 500 miles every day. A regular car, what do you have to do? If it has 400 miles of tank, you have to keep filling it up. With an electric car, you charge it overnight. You have your gas station, your fuel station at home. You are watching it. You are charging. You are starting every day with a full tank. That's the number one. Number two, cars in the future will be 1,000 miles per range. The other thing as well is we may move away from the battery itself being charged. It may be replaceable. This is what I predict will happen. I predict all the gas companies will go, bloody hell, we're losing money here. We're not selling any gas. We've got all these locations for refueling vehicles. What we're going to do is we're going to put batteries in the ground, and a car will drive over the battery. A machine will pull the battery out of the car and plug one in and drive away. And if everyone's going, that's crazy and mad, it's already happening with motorbikes in Japan. All right? And there are roads in London which charge cars while you drive. So if you think that's crazy that you can do that, then you're missing the point. All right? Rivian will have cars like that. Tesla will have cars like that. So you'll drive into a garage, you'll pull out the battery, a battery will go in and you'll be gone, done. And cars will also charge themselves. We'll have solar powered materials which will power the battery. So if you're not committed to and if you don't believe me, with solar and there you go, NIO has exchangeable batteries. There you go. If you don't believe me, the power of solar and renewables, this studio is powered by a battery over there in the corner. It's called an Ego battery. I wish I could share it with you. It's on my Amazon shop. You can go and check it out. You can buy one if you want. There you go. I'm selling you something. Ooh. That's solar powered. That runs my entire studio. All this is powered from the sun. That can be powered from the sun, and this entire studio is LED, very efficient, very efficient lighting and everything, and I can run it all from one AC outlet, and that can all be powered from the batteries. My house in England is powered off grid by solar panels. Even when it rains, you don't need the sun to power batteries to power solar anymore. You just need ambient light. Used to be direct sunlight, now ambient light. So if you don't believe that cars can power themselves, if you don't believe you can plug batteries out and put them in, you need to watch my show and you need to see what's going on. Tesla, we're up 5%. Look at this. You want to know why Rivian affects Tesla? Why I relate them? Well, there you go. That's why. The whole world is being drawn now into Tesla. Lucid is moving up. See, everybody's realizing what is going on. Martyn Lucas, the day trader, what's he talking about? This guy, he's a musician. I thought he was the world piano man. He's coming on here talking about stocks and shares like he knows what he talks about, like he knows what he's on about. Hang on a minute. All the hedge funders, all the experts who you pay millions of dollars for their advice, Lehman Brothers went bankrupt. Loads of banks go bankrupt. People make up stuff all the time. And they make it up to influence it for their own gain, their own benefit. I get nothing out of this. I just see the world like Elon Musk sees the world. I see it new and fresh and possibilities, right? I don't get nothing out of it. Those people who work at the banks, those people who influence stuff, those people that tell you what to buy and when to do it, they're greedy. I couldn't care less. Why have I just bought Rivian at $100? I couldn't care less because I know where the future's going. I want you to enjoy this show, be part of it. I want a community. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Just like Elon Musk didn't care about telling everybody he was going to sell all his stock. I'm going to come over and take your battery out. I'll be like the Duracell bunny. You could pull the battery out and I'll just stop. Only joking, I'm still here. All right, you pull the battery out and I'll fall over. Yeah, there you go. And I just look back on the YouTube channel. You got a great view of my head there, didn't you? I've got lots of people. What do you think of Cat Girl? I've no idea what Cat Girl is. probably a silly meme stock, is it? I've got lots of people over there on TikTok. I've got an army on TikTok, an army on Twitter. If you're over on TikTok, come to YouTube, click the profile, click the icon and come into YouTube. You do not want to be on TikTok because you can't see my trading screens. You can't talk to my traders. You can't see the guys who have already got stocks in it. What is your thoughts on Dogecoin? Waste of time. You only, if you want to invest in an asset, you only need Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is the pure cryptocurrency. It's the gold of the future. Everything else is a meme. I mean, bloody hell. Dogecoin was created for a laugh. It was created for a joke. It was created for a joke. Elon Musk buys it and everyone goes, it must be great. He bought it because it's fun. Everything I've been saying today is fun. For the richest people on the planet, it's fun. Well, it is for Elon anyway. Not necessarily Jeff Bezos. He's a bit greedy. But Elon Musk isn't. Elon Musk sold his house. He doesn't even care about his house. He cares about the future. He cares about creating. And anything like Dogecoin, Binky Bonk, Donkey Dink, Shiba Inu, God knows whatever. Why do you need it? Bitcoin is the purest form of cryptocurrency. It's secure. It's safe. It'll go up in value. It'll continue to go up in value. It'll be worth $1 million a coin in 10 years' time. I mean, why do you need anything else? Do you know it's the most secure part of my portfolio? I've got a portfolio of 40 stocks, and Bitcoin is the most secure part of my portfolio. Why do you think Michael Saylor buys billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and still buys it? But yeah, Bitcoin is pure gold for the future. Yes, it is. Dogecoin is actually good if you invest in it. No, Dogecoin is a get rich quick scheme. It works. No one's going to say to me, Dogecoin is. No one's going to come on here and say, Dogecoin is rubbish. I spent $10 and I turned it to $100, so it's great. Well, yeah, I could do that in the casino as well. I could go to a casino, bet on red, win $1 million. Does that mean red is a good investment? No, of course it doesn't. If you want a portfolio that you can sleep at night, relax at night, forget about, I could turn off my YouTube channel, forget about this, and my portfolio would rise and rise and rise and rise forever. I have ups and downs, but I've invested in stocks I believe in, stocks I understand, stocks I can go to sleep with and forget all about. Dogecoin, you can't. It's suddenly something happens and someone changes the idea or rewrites the code or God knows what else. It'll all fall apart. That can't happen with Bitcoin. I don't care about any other crypto. They are pump and dumps. Bitcoin is the only one I mess with. Thank you very much, Ryan Dundon. I called a pump and dump. There's a term for you, dude. Yep. Pump and dump. That's all it is. It's all it is. And there's nothing wrong with that. If you want to live your life like that, fine. Carry on. I wish you all the very best. But remember, what I'm trying to do here is grow a portfolio for the future. Remember, every time you make money, somebody else loses money and holds the bag. I think it was the Queen of Self-Braiding. She said to me, yeah, I've been holding the bag lots of times. Don't be a bag holder. Don't be the one who holds the bag. Right, let's have a little look at what's going on here. I wanted to just share it with everyone. This is pretty good. Remember, I'm a brand new channel. I'm a tiny little person on YouTube. Everyone knows me as a musician. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. But as far as investing, I'm a tiny little person and I've got a tiny little channel. But I'm really, really excited because look, my YouTube channel, look, this is my best ever video, right? Had 103 views, 104 views in the last, I don't know if you can see that. It's quite small for you, right? But as you can see, it's moving up. This is very good. This is good. And if you think it makes me any money, it doesn't. It doesn't make me sod all. It's just fun. And it's just, you know, my channel isn't monetized. I hope it will be one day. So at the beginning of each show, when I go live, you'll see a little commercial. And every commercial that you watch will earn me 0.0000001 cent. And I'll invest that in my portfolio. I prefer investing in companies. I think you need to invest in assets, whatever's working. I invest in companies that make things, and I have Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you can see, is actually 14.5% of my portfolio, and it's actually the most secure part of my portfolio. I do have some Bitcoin though. I prefer investing in companies. All right. Rough and Ready 86. Hey Martin, I've joined eToro just now and deposited the minimum $38. And who would you put it on? Right, don't say who would you put it on, because that implies you're gambling on a horse. You don't put it on anything. You invest in something you understand and something you know. And the best way is follow my show. I'm live every weekday with the opening and closing bell, and then specials like today when I'm live all day. And in my portfolio, in my team here, I have real traders, real investors. No one's selling anything. If anyone comes on here and tries to sell anything, hey, buy my cryptocurrency, I ban them. Everyone here is real and genuine, and everyone here, we've got some very successful traders. We've got a guy in here who spent $300,000 on Rivian today. All right, and he's watching the show. We have lots of serious investors, and you learn from them. We all share with you. You rung the bell and subscribe. Thank you so much indeed. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Love it. If you're watching the video now, give us a thumbs up. We are virtually perfect. Everyone that's watching is still watching, and everyone that's watching is liking the video. Is it worth investing in startup companies? It depends what the startup company is. But remember, if you follow us here on this channel, all right, everybody here are real traders, real investors, real money. This is my real life savings, guys. This is all I have. I'm not a rich guy. I haven't got $300,000, right? We are growing. We are growing together. Look at it, going up now. This is my real portfolio, my real money, and I've grown all this from $5,000, and now it's all profit I'm reinvesting, okay? And it's all done from listening to you. Rivian, I got into because of John Brunette, one of our members here in the Day Trader, and I've got a Bill from Canada. He's a veteran, a war veteran. He invested in Virgin Galactic because of me. He followed me, and I don't ever say follow me, for God's sake, don't follow me, but to do your own research. But together, we all grow together. Because this channel isn't Meet Kevin, it's not Graham Stepan, it's not Cryptos Are Us, where they're selling training programs or selling crypto coins or things they want to influence, and boy, can they influence stuff. They've got millions of subscribers, and when they say buy something, and people do, what you don't know is they've already set up a sale because the sale pumped and they dumped it. People like that make money out of people who don't know what they're doing, whereas all of us are the same. We're all together helping each other. All right. Oh, look at my Harpoon Therapeutics up today. So good. Fantastic. Absolutely great. All of these stocks I'm sharing with you are stocks related in some way to Rivian. And I've explained why earlier in the show. If you want to rewind the video and find out why I said that, you can. Muzanella yesterday, because he's celebrating, he's making some money with Robinhood, who we soon will do. He's buying everybody a Martyn Lucas mug. Everyone yesterday in the show who's a member of the Day Trader, he is buying you a mug, and we're going to send these out to you. How cool is that? We're giving you free gifts here. We're giving you stuff. You ain't got to buy nothing with us. Rivian, any minute now. All right. Getting that mug, yes you are. When do you think Bitcoin can pass the $70,000 mark? No one knows the answer to that. No one knows the answer to that. Will it be 100,000 by the end of the year? Yep. Can I give you the date? No. Will it be $1 million in 5-10 years time? Yep. Can I give you the date? No. No one knows exactly. All we do know is it's going to happen. All right. You seem genuine. I understand there is a lot to buy in con artists. You actually seem like a... Yeah. Well, my family will tell you. Yep. Rough and Ready. Can everyone Can everyone vouch for me? If you think, all right, here we go. All my team, my family, not the new people because you don't know me, right? But all the team and the family who have watched me for months do this now. If you think I'm 100% genuine and everything you see here is real and honest and this is my real money and everything I say is true and all the rest of it, I want all the people that know me, not the new people, all the people that know me from experience, put in the live chat, 100% yes. Let's see how many do it, right? If you don't do it, I'm going to fall out with you. I figured it would go wild by next year. Virgin Galactic and Spare Chain. Yeah, Virgin Galactic will be. Virgin Galactic will be, yes, because it's the best way to go into space. Who wants to go on Jeff Bezos and fall down in a parachute and land in the desert? Bump. No. Who wants to pay millions of dollars for the privilege? No. Everybody will pay $400,000. Rich people, not us, not me and you, but people will pay $500,000 and they will go up into space. And if you're going to say, well, it's not real space, it is real space. You look out the window, you float around, zero gravity, you see the world in the blackness, the inky blackness. That's space. That's an experience people can afford and will do. That's why Virgin Galactic will be huge. That's why I'm in it. It's not Amazon at all. Not for that. Martyn is legit. He's a good person. Love you, mate. Thanks, mate. All right. Okay, we're just waiting now for the Rivian IPO to pop. Okay, any minute now. So just bear with me a sec. I'm just going to get something ready a minute. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Right, we'll keep our eye on that. Let's go into Rivian. Let me just type that in. I do not want to miss anything. Okay, let's keep that there. That's right there, ready to go. Okay. Want to make sure, whoops. Just changed my light in there. Thank you, Walked in, 18th of August. I've been here ever since. A great show and gives me something to do and learn. Did an entire show August 20th, 2 days later, to my sister's birthday gift. Best gift ever. Thank you, Bill. Thanks to my new subscribers. Yeah, anyone here has a YouTube channel. Everyone subscribes to it. We all support each other. And if you comment below any of my videos, I promote and highlight your comments. So you can promote your YouTube channel, whatever it is you want to talk about. As long as you're not selling anything. You can sell it on your channel, but what you can't sell in my channel. I'm just here to promote your channel, and then you do what you like. Thanks, Dr. Nathan. What did Dr. Smith say? I can vouch for this. He's extremely genuine. Oh, what a great guy. Dr. Nathan Smith. All right. Okay. We're keeping our eye on that. Very, very exciting. Rivian SDI. We're just waiting for it to pop. Any minute now, it's going to pop. Okay. Hang on a minute. I got a little surprise for you. All right, got a little surprise for you. And in a second, I'm going to have to. I've got to keep correcting the light for TikTokers. They don't see what's going on. There we go. Keeping our eye on there, and we've got Tesla as well. Keep an eye on Tesla. Still moving up 5% today. Saw that coming. Space is now moving up as well. Lucid is just hovering a little bit. Robinhood picking up slightly. Amazon is up. Surprise, surprise. Harpoon is up as well. Rivian, we're waiting for it to pop there. We see some buying power now coming in to Virgin Galactic. These are all relative. If you want to go back and see why I think they're relative, please do check, and you'll see why I believe they are. Okay. I want now predictions. What does everybody think the IPO is going to open at? What does everybody think? Is it going to open at $100? I've put a limit order of $100. So it will buy that. If it opens, what does everybody else think it will do? Okay. I want everyone in the live chat now to give me the prediction of what they think the IPO will open at. I'm guessing around about $100. If you've just tuned in, give us a subscribe and ring the bell. We're waiting for the IPO of Rivian, the biggest IPO in history, to break. Robert says 122. Flipping heck. Well, if that's the case, I've got nothing. 101. Very precise. 101.03. That's very precise, Justin. I'm very impressed. And Robert, we are all watching Robert here today because Robert has $300,000 plus in Rivian today. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal if that comes off today. And I'm very excited. Is Justin, I would imagine, sorry, Robert, I would imagine is already a millionaire. The fact he's invested $300,000 in the Rivian IPO, I would suggest he probably is already a millionaire. But if he isn't, I believe he is going to become a millionaire today. We are going to watch him become a millionaire today live on the show. I'm very excited about it for him. So I've decided for Robert, as I believe you're about to become a millionaire, I'm going to make some history. For those of you who don't know, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I've got a great musician in the house today. We've got Yoel Hyman, who's also in the pre-IPO. But to celebrate my mate Yoel Hyman, I have one of his favourite caps. There it is. And I'm going to wish luck today to Robert, to make Robert a millionaire in the show live today on the show, right? A millionaire. If it opens up at 300,078, so if we got to 150, 200, he'd be a millionaire today, and it could. So this is for you, Robert. I want you to become a millionaire just on your shares of Rivian today. So this is for you, Robert. I hope you become a millionaire today. Here we go. All right. Okay. Here we go. Ha-ha! Is Robert gonna become a millionaire? Is Robert gonna become a millionaire? $1 million on Rivian IPO. Is Robert gonna be a millionaire on the Rivian IPO? Live on the day, live on the day trader show. Has anyone got a birthday today they want to celebrate as we wait for the Rivian IPO? It's James McManus. We're about to make Robert a millionaire live on the show. With the Rivian IPO, I think it's going to be the biggest IPO in history. Oh, is Robert gonna be a millionaire on the Rivian IPO? Watch it live here today on the Day Trader Show. I can't believe I did that. Can you believe I did that live on the show? What the heck? Just made that up. That seemed fun. LOL, he sings and plays. Yes, I do. I do 14 voices in 7 languages. We're waiting for the Rivian IPO. Here's a couple very quickly, right? So Paul McCartney. When I find myself in time of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. What about Neil Diamond? Love on the rocks, he no surprise. We ain't got time for this. Frank Sinatra. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Right, let's get back to the studio. We've got serious money to do here. We're waiting for the Rivian IPO. Brilliant. Gary Matthews loves it. That was a bit of fun. Yo, ha, 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 ha. Just in time. Hello, he sings and plays. Ryan, this is great. Yep. We're waiting for the Rivian IPO. And if anyone has a birthday today, or someone they know has a birthday, let me know. And I will do them happy birthday. I'm going to give you 10 seconds, and then I'm going to get back to the trading screens, all right? So if anyone's got a birthday right now, let me know very, very quickly, and I'll do you very, very quickly a happy birthday song, and then I'll go back to the studio. Right, if we get rich together, can I pay you to come and play bar music at my house? Yeah, I've toured 195 countries, and I've carried this piano all over the world. Indeed, I have. And yes, I performed as the Phantom of the Opera in London, musicals, West End, you name it. All right, Rivian, we're waiting for it. If we get rich together, can I pay you to come to my bar? I love it. All right, great stuff. Let me go back to the trading screens, and fantastic. This is good. I'm having so much fun today. All right. All right. Someone just tell him it's your birthday. Rivian born on the stock market today, so technically it's Rivian born on the stock market. Yes, it is. Shall I make a happy? Yeah, yes, I could do that. That's not a bad idea. Let's do that because we're still waiting for the Rivian IPO to pop. We've got it on the screen. We're waiting for it. Okay, it's happy birthday. Oh, and everybody wants to be a millionaire today. Everybody wants to have fun. I want you to write in the chat, happy birthday, Rivian. Okay, let's do it. What a great idea. HK says, no, don't. HK says, no, don't. I'm doing it. There's nothing you can do. You can't stop me. I'm doing it. I love to press your keys. Over there on TikTok, you can't see anything. You need to come to YouTube. Click on the icon here, and you will come into YouTube, all right? Click on the icon. You're missing all the trading screens, all the show. We've got Rivian here. We've got people investing $300,000 in here. We're going to become millionaires today. We're very, very excited. Live on the show. We're watching all the trading going on. So here we go. Happy birthday to Rivian. All right. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rivian. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rivian. Can't believe I'm saying this. Happy birthday to you. There we go. Happy birthday, Rivian. All right. Enough of this silliness. Let's get that, correct that like. There we go. All right, this is amazing. Bezos going to be singing this is his new Rivian. Definitely, happy birthday, Rivian. Happy birthday. Oh, great. I love it. Okay, so let's get back to the trading screens. Has anybody got any information yet? Has anybody seeing anything? Let me have a look on Twitter. If I go to the Google screen and we share this, let's have a look. This is Rivian's Twitter page. And 1 hour ago, we built a Rivian to help shift the world towards sustainable transportation and energy. That's what the key is here. That's what I've been telling everybody. At this critical once-in-a-planet moment, we want to do more. See, nothing to do with cars, nothing to do with trucks. Way, way bigger than that. I don't see any changes as of yet on SoFi. So we've got Dr. Nathan Smith watching closely. He has the inside track. We also have Robert, who has the inside track as well. They're all watching it. Jason West, need to rename your channel The Entertaining Trader. I love it. That's great. That's good. Jason West, thank you ever so much. If you're watching on the repeat, click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if you want to be part of the show. Put on your favorite hat for the big day, my 007. See messages. We've got messages coming in from Bill. I can't read it just yet. I will try and do so. Beginning with today's IPO, 8.2 million shares of Rivian equity will go to Fund Forever, our philanthropist mission to support high-impact climate. This is great. This is what I said. And I didn't read this. I didn't know this. Remember, the entire day I've been talking about it has nothing to do with cars. All day I've been saying it has nothing to do. And look, they're on Rivian right now. You want to know what I'm talking about? There it is. Look. That is what it's all about. You can't see this on TikTok. You need to be on YouTube, right? Beginning with today IPO. Look at that. Fund Forever. They're using some of their money to fund philanthropic missions to support high-impact climate initiatives and preserve critical biodiversity. This is the value. This is what's about to happen today, guys. This is why this could be the biggest IPO in history. I believe it. It's why I'm in it. If I had more money, I'd buy more shares, but I don't. I'm a regular guy. I'm not rich. I'm not like Robert here with $300,000 worth of Rivian, I'm afraid. My word, 32 likes a day. That's at the moment, right? Yep, that is. Yep, it's a record, I think. See you guys. He really wanted to do this. He really wanted to do this. See you guys. He really wanted to do this. Rivian shares indicating at 121.50. All-time high, I meant. Oh, I see. Okay. At the time, it's indicating at 121. Okay. I'm going to have to amend my order. We're keeping an eye on this right now. I'm trying to make my mind up. It's obviously indicating that it's going even higher. I'm trying to think if I should amend my position. If I need to amend my position, let's get up to, let's have a look. Let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla is climbing big time. Yep, Tesla's up nearly 5%. Lucid is not doing much at the minute. Virgin is pumping as well. Amazon, I would have thought would be up. Yes, it is. Of course, it is. They're doing well. They're making money. That's an indicator of where it's going. We're up nearly coming up to 1% now. Rivian, we need to keep that up there, and we need to keep the Rivian chart as well open there. We're expecting 121. Right. I'm cancelling my order. I'm changing it. I'm changing it to $150 a share. Doesn't matter. I know you all think I'm crazy, but I'm not. I'm not crazy at all. I want to be in when it opens. Right, I'm amending this. Doesn't mean I'll pay 150, of course, but that's the maximum I'll pay. It's opening, it's obviously going to go higher. All right. 15. I can buy another 15 then. I mean, that doesn't mean to say I'm going to pay 15. Third largest IPO of a US company, biggest since Facebook. This is crazy. I love it. Yes, indeed. It's very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. Has everybody thumbs up the video? Has everybody subscribed and rung the bell? Right. Okay, I want to get an update now where we are. Okay, where we are as it goes live. We've got people here with... everybody, if you're still here, just say I'm in. I want to know who is with us because I'm looking at Dr. Nathan Smith, Robert, and Yoel Hyman, particularly because they have the pre-IPO. They're about to... they'll get the information before we do. Any minute now, it'll go. I am here. Yes, I am in. Mr. Steckel, I'm in. Waves. Everybody give me an I'm in, please. I've amended my position to buy in at 150. Artem Films is here. R10 Films is here. Great. No money. That's fine. For your position's different, Bill. You don't buy anything now. You wait for the dip. It'll come. Finance, I'm in. Hello, Finance. Somebody new. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're new to the channel. For those of you who are new here, hello and welcome. I'm going to be in trading 212 in the UK through tends to be a little bit slower. Okay. We can watch what's happening because obviously Amazon is a good indicator. Look, Amazon's rising big time. Amazon shares will go up. It's on their balance sheet, right? I believe that's correct. If anyone could confirm to me if that's correct, I think if Rivian goes up, so will Amazon because they own 20%. So will Ford, by the way. In fact, that's not a bad idea. I've just thought of that. I need to open up Ford as well because Ford Motor Company, their stock price will also... now their stock price is dropping. That's interesting. That's interesting. But Ford only have 12%, but nevertheless... these are interesting stocks to follow because they'll make money from it as well. Have you got any tutorials? Everything? No, I don't sell any tutorials whatsoever. I just go live every day, and my team are all working together, supporting each other, and you learn everything from watching this show. We all learn from each other. My success from 5,000 to 56,000, which was 57, has come from just trading here, learning from all of you. I learn more from you than you learn from me. That's the honest truth. I'm a musician, entertainer. That's what I do. That's my profession. And I won't sell you anything. I don't do that. We just learn by watching, learn by asking questions. You've got great traders in here, but you are in a safe house because in this house, in this family, you've got people who are doing it for real, who are not influencing anything or not trying to sell you anything, right? Other channels, they do that. We don't do that. And if we did, I wouldn't allow anyone to do it. I'd ban them from the channel. Virgin Galactic now making money. Lucid now. Hood hovering. Amazon is going up. Harpoon is up, Rolls Royce, all this now. Bitcoin is now up again, nearly 69,000. Every single company goes down after a few weeks. Not every single company doesn't. And something like this, something that can change the world, might not necessarily do that. Remember, Tesla has shown the way. Tesla has shown the future, the idea. That's all Elon Musk ever wanted to do. He couldn't care less whether everyone copies him. That's why his patents are all open. He wants everyone to do it. He couldn't care less. All right. If everyone could keep me informed, please, with anything you hear on any social media. If you've got any links that come in, things I'm not seeing, share with me and I'll bring them in. Yeah, we're all seeing, it's an hour ago, we're not seeing anything on the Twitter space from Rivian. It'll be there first, I'm sure. Anywhere else could be nonsense. I don't want to pick up inaccurate information and share with you somebody wildly speculating. I don't want to do that. I'll tell you what I think. That's my show, but I don't want to share what anybody else thinks, because I can stand by what I say. If I share anybody else's false information, that wouldn't sit with me. I'm up 1.3. Okay, starting from scratch, investing £300 today between Tesla, Twitter, Amazon, Virgin Galactic, and Lucid, I believe you mean. Lovely. That's what I love about our channel. Not everybody is big investors. A lot of regular guys here, like me. This portfolio started from $5,000 and grew to 56 now. Live on the show. It's like the Truman Show. Remember Jim Carrey? He lived out his life online. Well, that's what this channel's about. That's my real life savings. That's all I have. That's it. Real. Gary Matthews, how do I start up? Any advice? Just keep watching this channel. We'll share everything with you. We're about to reveal the IPO price for the IPO for Rivian. TradingView is usually really good for IPOs. Thank you for sharing that with us. Not a broker, just for charts. Yep. If we go over to, remember we've been talking about charts all day long. I can share charts. I don't trade on charts. I trade with emotion and people. It's people that do the investing. The charts, that the stock doesn't know it belongs on a chart. It gives indications, and it's good information. But I trade on what I believe and emotions of the world, and being in your finger on the pulse of life. That's where it's at. Okay, we are watching it. We're keeping our eye. We're keeping our eye on all the different stocks that are relative to it. Tesla is still climbing. Look at that. If we go over to the iPhone and look at Rivian, let me see what. Let me see a minute. What Tesla is doing. Volume-wise, 20 million shares traded on Tesla today, and the average is 39. We're 20 already by 10 in the morning. No, sorry, 10 past 10 in the morning. That's ridiculous. We are way up on Tesla trading today. Not at all surprised. Okay. It's very exciting right now. Did you end up taking any Tesla out yesterday? I bought one share yesterday. As it dropped, and that's made me a profit. Yes, indeed. Yes. I paid yesterday. What did I do? I bought one at 1076. Yeah, there we go. And it's recovered. It dropped. It went even lower. I don't time the market. No one can time the market. And anyone says they can is a liar, because no one can time the market. It's absolutely impossible. You can get close to it, or you can think you did, but no one can actually time the market. Don't be greedy. If you're up, you're up. You're doing well, you're doing well. Look at Virgin Galactic today. Absolutely on fire. Absolutely on fire. Love it. Done so well. That's exactly what I was saying. No one's interested in Amazon. Tom Hanks was offered a ticket by Jeff Bezos. Did you see that? And several $1 million. He went, forget it, I'm not paying millions of dollars for a flight and landing in a parachute. I can go with Virgin Galactic 5-star travel, fly up, land on the airport, have a glass of champagne, lovely. I can see space. I'm done in a few hours, and at $400,000, I can afford that, and the price is going to come down. So Virgin Galactic is going to be absolutely massive. By the way, this could be one of my big. This will probably be my biggest stock, Virgin Galactic. That Virgin Galactic could be $400 a share in a couple of years, and I've got 522 at an average price of $22. Get in. Tesla is up nearly 5%. Rivian, we're just waiting. We've got all the charts open. We're watching everything for you as it comes in. Very, very exciting. Paul, I'm pretty good at buying the top. We all are. The thing is, don't sell it. Wait for it to increase. Find a way. You remember, you can always sell on the way up and sell on the way down as well. There are little moments you get in and out and you can fix your problem. It's why I say I've never lost money on a trade, because as a stock goes down, it doesn't go straight down. It goes down. You buy a dip. You buy a one lower. It pops a little bit. You make a few bucks from that one. It drops down again. You buy a few bucks from that one. Ultimately, then you've wiped out your loss. You've washed it out. You've clean again, and now you've got a lower average. Then it goes up, and then you sell on the way up. So you start reducing the size of your portfolio. That's how sometimes a portfolio in one stock can get really, really big. At one point, Bitcoin was 40% of my portfolio, because I kept buying dips and it kept going up, and the value went up and up and up. And it's like flipping heck, I got 40% in Bitcoin, and nothing wrong with that, of course, but I want to use money to invest in something else. So I sold on the way up. So that's how you always manage it. Volatility is great. That's why I love Bitcoin. Volatility is great. You make money going up and you make money going down. I never use leverage. I never borrow any money. I've got no debt. I've got no mortgage. This is all made from $5,000 I saved as a musician. That's it. And I turned it into this profit. Okay. I don't borrow money. I don't use option trading because I have to predict it going up by a certain date and a certain amount. And I can't do that. I know it's going to go up, but I can't predict on a certain date. So I don't like to do things like that. I like to be able to sleep at night and know that if I went to sleep and I never touch my portfolio again, would I come back in a year, a month, 10 years, and would I be up from this position? Yes, I would. And as far as I'm concerned, if I put $5,000 in the bank, I'd have about $1 profit by now, wouldn't I? Well, you can see where I am. Do you trade UK stocks? Yeah, I do. I got some Tesco. I got Rolls Royce. I got a few. I thought something happened then. Something changed. I have a few, yeah. Absolutely. Why wouldn't I? I'm an Englishman. I love it. Right, we've got 20 watching now. A few people have disappeared, or they've just, or hopefully they're just going into the share screen and sharing the video. Oh, it's come back up again now. Okay, I'm pretty good at buying the top. I always do that. Okay, I have 20 shares at an average of 20.76. Good for you, Bill. Good for you. Okay. Okay, can everybody just bear with me? I've been sat here for, 3 hours? And I might need to go and refresh myself. So more information than you needed, but I'm planning on being here all day, so at some point this was going to happen. Can I just bear with me 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. If you can all just keep the chat going so people realise we're still here, that'd be very much appreciated. If you could help out doing that, I'll see you back in just a couple of moments. And if you could just help by chatting to let everybody know I'm still here. And I'm just going to be a minute. If you're watching on TikTok, come into YouTube, you're missing everything. I'll only be a minute. All right, guys. Okay. What amounts is everyone thinking of investing in Rivian? Okay. I'm back again now. Thanks for your patience. I appreciate it very much indeed. Okay. We've got our eye on the pulse. We've got our eye on everything. So, the portfolio now, let's have a look at it. We're at 1.48. That's what's being affected. Ford are not doing very much at all. It's why I'm not invested in Ford. Ford are a backward-thinking company. I know they've invested in Rivian, but they're a backward-thinking company. They're a gas company thinking if we attach batteries where the fuel box used to be, we'll be all right. That's not how to move forward. That's not what Tesla's all about. That's the backward way of thinking, so I don't believe in Ford, but of course they are an investor in Rivian, so be interesting to watch what they do. Well, on the other hand, Tesla is a forward-thinking company, and that's up now nearly 5%. Virgin Galactic, as I said, predicted, is up today. Lucid is just trading sideways. No one's buying into Lucid right now, are they? Lucid isn't going. A lot of these stocks aren't going to go up. People bought the dip on Tesla, and Tesla will go up, but Lucid at the moment isn't doing anything because everyone's keeping their money for Rivian. It's obvious, isn't it? Robinhood is trading sideways. Amazon is now moving up. It's an indication that the market is going to open well for Rivian. Obviously, they're making money. Harpoon Therapeutics, these are all the ones that I said are related to it. And if you look back in the video, you'll see why. The hype is real for Rivian. It's hype. It is hype. But I want to be in. I want to be in from the beginning because I want to be part of the story. And I will buy the dip. As I say, I've got $883 on hand. I've already bought I've placed an order for 15 stocks, 15 shares of Rivian. If you're wondering when it's going to pop, it's going to any minute now. Normally about 20 past 10 is when it happens. 20 past 10, half past 10. Around this time, the latest I ever saw an IPO was at 10:45, which is in 20 minutes from now. So any moment now, it could go. And we're going to keep our eye on it. You won't miss a thing, I promise you. There it is. Everything is there. Everything is set. We've got the charts up, ready to watch it to trade. And we've got them over here, so that'll all populate once it releases. And I hope everyone's settled in for a great day. I won't mind if it drops. It doesn't interest me. It'll worry me at all. I'll just buy it. I'll buy the dip, and I'll end up I'll end up buying more shares by catching the dip. But if it starts to go up, I will leave it for a while, and I'll take the profit as I go. Donations accepted. I'm up 1.44 now. This is great. Ford doing nothing. Rivian still waiting. Tesla is still moving upwards. Yeah. Virgin Galactic moving upwards. Lucid trading sideways. Robinhood trading sideways. Amazon up today. They've invested. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm seeing information coming in here. Let's have a look. This message is Ryan Bezos. He's put angry faces. Okay. All my friends over on TikTok, you're missing the whole show. You can't see anything on TikTok. Click the profile here. Click the icon and come on into YouTube. All right. You can't see anything at all on TikTok. TikTok is for people scrolling through looking for naked ladies. If you want to be part of real traders and real people that are doing real things, then only 10% come through. If you're one of the 10%, then come and join me by clicking the icon, the profile onto YouTube. All right, everybody on YouTube, on TikTok is just just look at scrolling through. If you want to see the trading screen, see the prices, all you can see on TikTok is my face. And you don't want to do that. I think it's kind of nuts, and in my mind it will drop and I will invest in Rivian then. And you can do that. See, the thing is, I don't mind taking a loss. I don't mind. I don't mind at all, because it's going to be $400. It's going to be $1,000. It's going to be $4,000. I don't care that it drops. I will just buy the dip, and then if it does drop, I will buy the dip, and I will get I will just dollar average down. I'm not looking at the price. I'm looking at the value of where it's going and how big it's going to be. That's why I'm not bothered about the price. I want to be in when it opens, before the public can trade. That's why I've set at 150. I mean, I might not even get it at that. Who knows? No one knows what's going to happen. I just know I want to be in from the beginning. Okay. If you just tuned in and you're watching on the replay, subscribe and ring the bell. This is live. My name is Martyn Lucas, world piano man, and I'm actually and also an investor. I trade every day. This is my real portfolio, from $5,000 to 56. I've done pretty well. We've got a great family and community of really big traders and small traders. It's the most honest YouTube trading channel. I followed them all. I've seen hundreds of them, and everybody is selling and promoting or hyping something. I'm not. I'm sharing my real life experience with you, real guy, and that's it. You can say what you like. Let's have a look. It's like a new PlayStation. It's coming out, and people are about to get trampled to get some Rivian. I love it. I think it's kind of nuts. Mr. Steckel, global online retail Amazon announced last week that they're buying 1,800 electric vans from Mercedes-Benz for their European delivery fleet as part of their goal to be carbon neutral by 2040. They own 20% of Rivian. They can't get the Rivian vans yet. They will be. Of course they will be, because they own 20% of Rivian. Rivian just can't deliver them yet, but they will. So I'm you know, they may be having some other vans right now, and that's absolutely fine. But they will be. I would have thought they've already ordered 100,000. They've already ordered 100,000. They can't make them fast enough. What platform are you using? Are we still live?